Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to clear formatting in Microsoft Excel. You can select the area where you want to apply formatting like here. Now in this Home tab, here you will see the option Clear. Click this drop down and here guys you can see the option Clear Formats. Clear only the formatting that is applied to the selected cells like this. Also guys you can apply formatting entire Excel worksheet. So click this corner triangle. Now again clear and click on clear formats like this. So thanks for watching. This is a short and basic video to learn Excel. You need to learn more useful videos. So check out the playlist for Excel tutorials.